So today we're going to be making From the Start animatic. I heard this song on TikTok and I have been really into it. I love it a lot actually. I think it's really cute. And I wanted to seize the opportunity to make an animatic of my OCs, which are couples. Because the last time I drew them was like when I created them. Okay, so let's just start with the storyboard. So my storyboard, I had only 6 panels, I think. I wanted to keep things really short and simple, and I made the storyboard on their own layers. And I'll take a bit of the storyboard, enlarge it, and clean it up, and just do some more sketching on top of it, clean up my sketch, and that's it for one frame. I kind of like how sketchy it feels, like just cleaning up the sketch and keeping the fluidity of the whole pose. It was really fun, and the first frame, I think I am going to make it into a finished illustration because they look like super cute and the pose is just so dynamic. Plus, I like the fact that I drew a guy and it doesn't suck, and it's just so cute. So the thing is, Initially, I had in my head that the guy was going to do all this to the girl, but when I started animating, I kind of forgot about all of that and I just let the girl do the whole talking, and that is not actually bad. I kind of like it because it looks cute this way, but the initial idea I wanted was for the guy to be the one talking. So when I was doing most of the frames, I used the symmetry tool a lot to just make things quicker. And something I wanted to say is that I could have easily used flip a clip for this, but then I wanted this to be sketchy. I didn't want it to be super smooth. I wanted it to just pass across as an animatic rather than an overly smooth animation. So yeah, that's it.